I am going to show you what I got today. I went to the library yet again to print some stuff. I am going to do an 8-week retreat for myself about healing and grounding and coming back to myself and a little bit of creativity in between. But yeah, I basically printed it out. It's 7 pages with questions, homework, etc. And then I printed some like inspiration that I like, things that I want, etc. Some things that I've done creatively. And then I printed my March vibes. Not all of it is March vibes. Some are for like my other journal, but a little bit of my March vibes. And then I printed out my creative manifesto. And I'm going to show you everything. And then same thing in a smaller format with my creative vision board. The only thing is I didn't realize it's going to be that small. I thought it would be printed this way, but whatever, it works as well. I can read what it says. And then I went to Target. I wanted to get earrings, and I needed to get some herbs, and those are the earrings I got. Those are the only earrings I want. I kind of like those, to be honest, and I can always use hoop earrings. I wear this today, but I've been obsessed with this teardrop or dome hoop. I don't know the right word for them or whatever they call the right side, but yeah, those are so pretty. I like them, and now I'm excited to wear them. And then I got different herbs. I want to make my own Italian seasoning, but who knew that this is so expensive? It is $5 from Target brand. Like, what the fuck? And Italian seasoning is way cheaper, but still I got this just in case, and I'm still going to make my own Italian seasoning. I got extra basil leaves because I always use basil. And then I got oil. I want to mix it with actually baking vanilla or vanilla extract. I'm actually making my own vanilla extract, and I needed to get extra vanilla beans today at Trader Joe's, and I forgot. But yeah, if you make your own vanilla extract at home, it takes like months, and it's been only maybe 2.5 months at this point. So yeah, it's still not vanilla extract. So I got this, and I can always use it for baking, and I'm going to add it to the oil. And then I got this notebook. It's a little bit dirty, but I got it for my creative retreat. I'm very excited. I have plenty of notebooks, but when I need a notebook for a specific thing, unless I have it in my storage, unless I don't have it in, unless I don't have it. Anyways, I forgot the word, what I want to say. But unless I don't have it, unless I don't have a specific journal, I need to get a specific journal. So I was like, okay, I don't have a specific journal for my March or like my 8 weeks retreat, so I got this. And then I got 2 books at the library. Consider this. It looks like it's a thick book, but it's actually very short, like little paragraphs like that. Such a waste of paper, honestly, but whatever. And then I got this book. It's called Soul Shift. I think that would be important and interesting to read during my 8-week retreat. But yeah, this is where I am. I'm going to drink coffee and create because I feel creative. So that's what I'm gonna do. Good morning. I'm always sitting in the weird corners of the house because we have so many windows, but the light is still not coming through good. Anyways, it's Monday, the day after the Oscars. I watched the Oscars yesterday, and it was okay, but I have to keep asking myself, like, where did my passion go? I feel like I had the same feeling 2 years ago, because I don't think I finished watching last year's. But yeah, I was like, I used to love watching movies, listening to movie scores, etc. Where did it go, like my passion? And I even was telling my husband yesterday, like, I am working on my art journal, and it's the first time in 5 years that I actually filled in so many pages, and just I have this flow of creativity, and I keep pushing myself because my creativity has gone somewhere. So that's why I keep doing those retreats and keep pushing myself forward. But anyways, yeah, I just have to really sit yesterday and ask myself, like, where did my creativity and where did my passion for film and music and art go? And I'm also thinking the art scene in Raleigh is not that, it's not the vibe. But I also trying to tell myself not to be critical and judgmental. There are many talented and creative people in Raleigh. This is not a dig at artists in Raleigh, but whenever we even go to like Artsplosion, it's like all the same stuff, and I'm pretty sure those people work so hard. But I love contemporary art, I love graffiti, so you know, my taste is a little bit different maybe. But here it's like, I feel like it's all surface level, and I don't know, Raleigh in general is like, feels like surface level at this point. It's all the same, all restaurants are the same, all bars are the same, people dressed up the same. But anyways, again, I'm trying to remind myself not to be that judgmental and not to fall into the hole of, oh my god, everything sucks, because that's very dangerous. And I am the master of my own life, so I can actually create the life and the visions I want to. If I don't see something, I should be creating it. Even if it's for myself, just to feel better, I should be doing that. So yeah, it was really interesting to feel those feelings again, and actually being like, yeah, I'm kind of stepping back on the path of creativity. Yeah. I have many ideas, but I'm not going to be talking about them because I feel like it's better I just keep doing things instead of talking. But right now I'm going to the post office to return a packaging that free the DVD, and then I'm going to do my retreat. I actually started doing it on Saturday. What did I just say? Anyways, I started doing it on Saturday because I realized it's just too much for a week. I will not be able to do it so quickly. It's a lot of the research, a lot of the things I have to do, and yeah, it's been a lot of fun. I drew my like little energy my mandala, what, forgive me, I think in Russian it says mandala. Wow, it's so weird. I forgot the word. Anyways, it's a lot of the things. Like here, for example, I'm exploring the seasons and how I feel. It's actually days of the week, but yeah, and then I explore the seasons and how they influence me. So yeah, today's gonna be a busy day. You're just coming with me, you have no choice. So good morning, I am outside. It's Sunday. Right before I went outside, I had this severe anxiety. I had like a spasm in my gut. That was so weird. And I've been struggling with some digestive issues since November. But I think part of it is just anxiety and the fear of going outside. I never had that. Like, I'm generally like, I have to push myself to go outside, but here living in the US, I feel like it's really a big fear and anxiety going outside. And I'm just sitting here, as you can hear, in nature, and I'm just so proud of myself that I went. I feel so good. But that spasm, it was painful. It was actual real pain, and I've been having real pain since November. It kind of got better because there was a conversation that maybe it's a chronic disease, but then it got better and then it came back. And now I'm just like, wow, what percentage of it is actually anxiety? Because this is just not cool and not right. And I'm just so happy I overcame that today and I was able to calm myself down, and that I'm here in nature enjoying it. I just had my kind of brunch. I'm drinking Mincy and I'm about to journal. I just don't want to live in fear and let fear and anxiety guide my life, especially this year. Like, I've been so creative and I see so many doors opening for me in terms of creativity and various like opportunities. I just don't want the fear to stop me. Like, I have a vision of myself who I want to be in 20 years, and I hope I'll be lucky enough to live that long. But just crazy anxiety caused that. That's insane, and I don't even realize that on my conscious level. It's like really on my subconscious level. It's really crazy if you ask me. So, but I'm so proud of myself being here. So it's small wins every day, and today that was my win. Good morning. It's a beautiful day. I am at the lake. I am on a little walk. I didn't intend to do that. I actually wanted to come here and do some breath work, but there are some school kids, which is at that time of year is inevitable. But I have my binoculars that I got recently, the best purchase ever, especially if you live in an area like North Carolina. Such a good purchase. They were just $50 and they're good. Got them from eBay. eBay is like my favorite place to shop nowadays. But yeah, it's a nice walk. It's after rain, so the ground is a bit soggy, but it smells good. And there's so many turtles out there, gazillions of them. It's so funny. They stretch their necks. They stretch their necks and it looks like they worship the sun or something. Just so funny. There are different sizes of them. And then when I came here, there was a couple of geese and two other birds flew over the bridge, and the geese started panicking, and one of the geese flew over the bridge too, so close to me. It was so cool to see. So nice, so fresh, and I'm happy spring is here.